What's the absolute laziest way to make money online? I get this question all the time, and I get it. I mean, who wouldn't want to make money with the least amount of effort possible while working from literally anywhere in the world? So today, I'm breaking it all down. No fluff, no BS, just real answers from someone who's actually made millions online. And we're doing this scientifically. I've got a ranking system right here where we're gonna grade the most popular online money-making methods based off of 5 key factors. First up, the learning curve. How fast can you actually start making money? Because let's be real, nobody wants to spend months just figuring it out. Next, fulfillment. How much actual work do you have to put in once you get it going? Because if it's too complicated, it's not lazy enough. Then scalability. Can you grow this and make even more money without spending your entire day grinding? Fourth, startup costs. Because not everyone has stacks of cash to invest up front. And finally, risk level. Because if making money is stressing you out 24/7, is it even worth it? And listen, I'm not just throwing out any methods. I'm only covering real ways that can realistically make you $100 plus per day. And the first opportunity that we're talking about is affiliate marketing through short form content. And trust me, if you've been looking for a lazy but smart way to get paid online, this might be exactly what you need. All you have to do to get started with this opportunity is just find a product or brand that you actually like, sign up for their affiliate program, and start promoting it using short form content like TikToks, IG Reels, YouTube Shorts, LTK, or whatever you're most comfortable with. From there, every time someone buys through your link, you get paid. One of the easiest ways to start this is by setting up an Amazon storefront, but you can also find digital products to promote on platforms like impact.com or cj.com. I'm telling you right now, there are affiliate programs for almost every product out there. So once you do figure out what works, the money will start coming in. Now, let's break this down the right way. When it comes to effort, I'd say it's low to medium. Filming a quick product review and dropping a link is easy. But if you really want to print money off of this, you gotta learn how to hook people in, tell a good story, and make them wanna buy. Once you get that down, every video that you make becomes an income stream that just continues to keep paying you over and over. I mean, think about it. If one of your videos go viral, it could keep making you money for months, even years without you lifting a finger. That's the real definition of passive income. Now, let's talk about the cost. And here's why I love affiliate marketing. The startup cost is basically zero. If you've got a phone and Wi-Fi, you can do this. No inventory, no ad spend, and no upfront investment. Just you, your content, and your link. And the risk is almost non-existent. You're not putting any money down. You're just putting in time. And in the beginning, it is way better to invest time learning a skill rather than throwing money at something you just don't understand. Now, here's the part nobody talks about. The potential. There's no limit to how much money you can make with affiliate marketing. I personally make millions of dollars a year alone from affiliate marketing. My free dropshipping guides that have helped me teach millions of people how to start dropshipping has affiliates that I actually like and use throughout it. Shopify and other companies pay me thousands just to get people to sign up for tools that I already know and love. And once you figure out the right content strategy for your audience and niche, you can literally make money in your sleep. I'm starting off strong and rating this lazy way to make money online as an A+. It's low investment, low commitment, and it keeps producing you money post after post. So if you're looking for a lazy but high reward way to start making money online, then this is it. But we're just getting started. As the most hands-off way to start making money online in 2025 is with AI-powered Shopify stores. If you've been looking for a way to break into e-commerce without the stress of picking products, managing inventory, or dealing with complex setups, this might be exactly what you need. With an AI-built Shopify store, you don't need to be an influencer, you don't need to create your own products, and you don't need to spend big upfront, as the AI handles everything, from choosing winning products to set up your store's design and even automating fulfillment, which means that you can literally have a store up and running in minutes with almost no learning curve. Here's how it works. You head over to your AI builder, which I'll leave the link to my favorite one below, and then you hit start your free store. The AI guides you through a simple setup. You just enter in your basic details, pick a niche like fashion, electronics, or pets, and let the system build out your store's branding, banners, layouts, and even color schemes, so it looks professional from day one. Then once you're set up, all you have to do is connect it to Shopify, which gives you a 3-day free trial and 3 months at just $1 each month if you use my link. That means getting started costs practically nothing. Now, let's talk about fulfillment. If you register with AutoDS, which is fully integrated with the AI store builder, you don't have to lift a single finger when it comes to managing inventory or shipping. AutoDS automatically adds trending products, updates prices and images, and ships everything directly to your customers whenever you make a sale. So yeah, this is about as automated and passive as it gets. No packing, no tracking, and no headaches. Now, let's break this down by numbers. The scalability is unlimited. AI-powered Shopify store can grow as big as you want because you can keep adding in new winning products without worrying about storage, shipping, or supply chain issues. And the startup cost is less than $10. The store builder is completely free. Shopify is $1 for your next 3 months, and AutoDS is going to be integrated into your store for just $1. Once a customer buys from your store, the sale already covers the cost of the product and leaves you with profit in your pocket. Now, the risk on this business is extremely low. Since there's basically no upfront investment, you're not putting money on the line. And with the popularity of social media, you're able to advertise your store and the products you're selling for completely free through organic marketing. I actually built my entire business Supreme Ecom from the ground up to what it is today with 100% organic marketing, and I've made millions of dollars because of it. From over 500,000 subscribers on YouTube and over 400,000 followers on Instagram and TikTok, I didn't do any paid advertising for the first 5 years of starting and building my business. I just used the same organic marketing strategy that I already broke down in this video right here for you to check out, if you decide that this is the way that you want to start making money online. Overall, I'm rating this lazy way to make money online an A-. It does take a small initial investment, but once everything is set up, it's going to be a low effort, high potential way to make money online. It's one of the easiest ways to start making passive income, and you can manage it from anywhere without needing to be on camera, invest heavily, or deal with fulfillment operations. Now, the next lazy way to make money online is one that you need to tap into if all that's on your mind is making money in your sleep, and that's selling digital products. This is hands down one of the smartest ways to build passive income, because once you create a product, you can continue to keep selling it over and over again without doing any extra work or time coming from you. No inventory, no shipping, just straight profits. Digital products can be anything from ebooks, templates, and online courses to guides, memberships, and even AI generated tools. Now, I'm not giving you guys any opportunities that you cannot start making money with right now, especially if you have knowledge or a skill that other people want too. I've created multiple digital products, one of my favorite being my blueprint course. Hours recording value pack content for this digital product. But through that time that I put in, I was able to create an evergreen product that not only gives people the knowledge that they're looking for, but creates a passive income for me for years to come. The beauty of digital products is that they have no limit. Let's break down a better look into what it's gonna take to actually make money from this though. When it comes to effort, this is upfront work, but long-term gain. You have to put in time to create a high value product. But after that, it just runs on autopilot. And if you think you're not an expert on anything, trust me, you are. You don't need to be a guru. You just need to package something helpful that people are already searching for. Now, the cost associated with something like this is almost nothing. You can literally write an ebook in Google Docs or Canva, record a training on Zoom, and sell it using Etsy or even for free through organically marketing your product. So if you already have a phone or laptop, you're good to go. Now, when it comes to the risk is nearly zero. You're not putting any money down, just time. And once you do get your first sale, that's all profit. Plus, digital products don't expire, don't run out of stock, and don't require customer service beyond sending an automated email. Now, let's talk about potential. This is unlimited. I personally know people making 6 and even 7 figures just selling simple digital downloads. And as your audience grows, your sales multiply without extra effort. So if you want a business model that lets you earn money while you sleep, while you travel, or even while you binge watch Netflix, selling digital products is the way to go. Overall, I'm rating this way to make money as a B, as even though it can take a lot of time to get it going and to build up your audience, once you do, the opportunities are limitless. All right, now the final lazy way to make money online that you need to tap into is freelancing. Hold up. I know what you're thinking. AC, how is freelancing lazy? Isn't that just another job? And yeah, it definitely can be if you're doing it the wrong way. But if you play it smart, freelancing can turn into one of the easiest and most scalable ways to make money online. Freelancing is simply just getting paid to use a skill that you already have. Things like video editing, social media management, copywriting, or even graphic design. Business and content creators are constantly looking for people to handle these tasks for them. And that's where you step in. You can pick your own projects, set your own rates, and work whenever and wherever you want. Now, let's break it down. The learning curve depends on what skill you choose. If you already know how to edit videos, write copy, or manage social media, you can start making money immediately. Now, if you're brand new, you will need to take some time to learn. But YouTube University is filled with step-by-step tutorials to help you build up your skills fast. The startup cost is practically nothing. If you already have a laptop or even just a phone, you can start freelancing today. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork, they let you list your services for free. And you can even start using beginner-friendly tools like Canva for graphic design or CapCut for video editing. The risk is low, not spending money up front, and you get paid per project. The only risk here is inconsistent income. But that's why your goal out the gate is to build a solid client base so you can move on to this next step. Here's where freelancing gets really interesting. Most people stop at just making money for themselves. But that's a mistake. Instead of staying stuck trading time for money, you can turn this into a full-blown business. Once you've built up a solid client base, you can start hiring other freelancers to do the work for you at a lower rate while you keep the difference. This is how you scale freelancing into an agency model, where you're no longer doing the work, you're just managing the business. So, freelancing on its own, not the laziest, but scaling freelancing into a hands-off business, that's where the real money is. Overall, I'm rating this one a B-. It takes some initial effort to land clients and to build up trust, but once you systemize the process and bring in a team, you've got yourself a money-making machine. We've just now gone through some of the laziest ways to make money online in 2025. But here's the thing, none of these are going to work if you do not take action, as the internet is full of opportunity, but it's up to you to actually start. So just pick one, commit to it, and get to work. And if you want to dive deeper into the strategies that I've used to make millions online, check out this next video where I break down exactly how I built my brand and scale my business from the ground up. I'll see you there. This is AC with Supreme Ecom, and I'm out.